Hey first graders, I hope you're doing well and you're ready for another day of phonics. Today what we're working on is working on reading and writing words with OU that make the oo sound. So today all of our words are going to have OU in them, but instead of making the ow sound, we also see words that have OU in them that make the oo sound, like in the word soup. We hear oo, but there's actually an OU in soup. So OU makes two sounds. Sometimes it says ow, and other times it says ooh. So today we're practicing on the ooh. Before we even get started with the ooh sound, let's review a word with the ow sound. Let's write loud. Make sure you have your writing materials ready. If you don't, click pause it. So loud, I hear the ow sound. It's going to be in these three sound boxes. It goes l, ow, d, loud. Write down loud. Remember, that's OU, but it sounds like ow. So it should be l. Okay, it should be l, ow. Remember, that could be OU or OW, but today we're talking about just OU. L, ow, d, loud. So there's loud, okay? And that's what you guys learned the other day. You learned that OU says ow. Today, we're going to still be spelling words that have OU in them, but they're going to sound like ooh. So today, when you hear the ooh sound, you need to include OU, like when you hear soup. Our first word today with the ooh sound is actually going to be you. So in you, we hear two sounds. We hear y and ooh. Y, ooh. Well, what says y? Y, y, y. So why? Y. And then we know today that ooh looks like this. OU. Y, ooh. You. That says you. All right, our next word is going to be soup. Here we see a can of soup. I hear s, ooh, p, soup. Can you spell soup? S, ooh, soup. I know you're probably used to looking at OU and saying ow, but try to remind your brain that it makes two sounds, and today we're focusing on ooh. So far we have loud. That was our review word that says ow. And now here are our ooh words, y, ooh, you, and soup, soup. Okay, your next word is group. We hear grr, ooh, p, group. You can spell it. It has 5 letters. Group. Group. Gr. Ooh. What says p? P. Group. All right, our next word is youth. Youth is a similar word to like young. Sometimes people will say it if they're talking about a group of kids. So our word is youth. It goes y, ooh, youth. Think about what two letters go together to make the sound. What says y? Y, y, ooh. You should know what says ooh. O-U, y, ooh. Okay, what says T-H? Hope you got that one. Youth. Okay, our next word is wound. You get a wound if you hurt yourself, or if you are playing basketball out on the street and you fall, you get a wound on your knee. So let's sound it out. There's 4 sound boxes for this word. W, ooh, wound. Let's do it again. W, d, wound. 5 letters. I know you can do it. W, n, d, wound. Okay, our last word. You might take this to the grocery store to get a discount on something you buy. It is called a coupon. Coupon. So it's k, oop, ah, coupon. Write that down. Oop, ah, coupon. Ooh, oops, ah, coupon. All right, let's practice reading these words together. I know some of them look a little bit tricky, but I know you can do it because you know that OU says ooh. And what's the other sound it makes? Ow. Let's start with our ow word. Loud, loud. That was our review word. Now we're to our ooh words. Y, ooh, you. Oop, soup. Oop, group. Y, ooth, youth. Wound, wound. Oop, on, coupon. Okay, let's do it from the bottom to the top. Oop, on, coupon. Wound, wound. Youth, youth. Oop, group. Oop, soup. You, you. And our last one that sounds like ow, loud, loud. Oops. Okay, that's all for today. So then just go into Seesaw and find the activity for our ooh words and work on that. Have fun.